Hey guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to allow direct messages from server members. So if you're in any kind of server and somebody wants to message you, you can allow them to message you in your settings. So first things first, we're going to need to go to your Discord profile. As you can see on the bottom of the screen, we have about 5 icons. On the bottom right corner, you can see a little your profile picture icon. We're going to click on that. And then this will it will bring us to our settings or our profile right here. So as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have set status, account, user profile, privacy, and safety. So right under user profile, there's privacy and safety. We're going to need to click on that. And once we get here, we have save direct messaging, and then we have server privacy default. Allow direct messages from server members. So we're going to flip that switch. Do you want to also apply this change to all of your existing servers? Yes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.